अस्सलाम वालेकुम and good evening Pakistan. This is Faisal Kapadia and sitting with me is Awab Alvi. हमारे शो का नाम है Out of Bounds. हम अभी तक फिक्र करने की कोशिश करेंगे उर्दू में करते हैं या इंग्लिश में करते हैं, मगर ये आउट ऑफ बाउंड
है। हाँ, उर्दू वाला आउट ऑफ बाउंड है भैया। मगर ये बताओ फैसल, हम लोग उर्दू और इंग्लिश में क्यों परेशान हैं?
आई डोंट नो यार, एक हाथ से एक फॉर्मेट पे एक लैंग्वेज हो तो बेहतर रहता है। आई थिंक इंग्लिश इज बेटर बिकॉज यू कैन रीच आउट टू मोर पीपल।
हमारा जो शो है फोकस पाकिस्तान फोकस, तो उर्दू में इसलिए हम लोग
उर्दू ठीक है, आई एम फाइन विद उर्दू।
अच्छा, इस दफा का टॉपिक हमारा जो था, वी आर डूइंग अ सोशल मीडिया राउंडअबाउट ऑफ वीक 2 ऑफ दिस लास्ट वीक। इसमें क्या कुछ हुआ जिसमें हम खिंचाई?
बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग वीक रहा है as far as social media is concerned.
Yes, of course, मथीरा का accidental slip up.
Social media has actually scooped all the newspapers and magazines, surprisingly. Really? Because I'll tell you what happened. हमने क्या किया? We had about 6 featured Twitters on the ground. ठीक है, पहले दिन तो सिर्फ 2 थे।
अच्छा, जब
हमने इनिशियली प्लान किया था पाक टी हाउस से, सिर्फ 2 बंदे हमको ऐसे मिले थे, शोब्स और एक और बंदा जो कवर कर सकते थे, शोब्स एंड उमर मिर्जा एक्चुअली। And Umair Mirza was also found on day 1 of the event. He was there, so we met him over there. उसके बाद we got introduced to क्या कहते हैं आपका Sidra. There was a girl. There's this another girl.
But then
like 5-6
when you
people.
have Twitters, that means you could actually just have people in the audience who Twitters.
नहीं. We actually had 6 people who were sitting there on every day, and that's like
were actually
covering the event as they saw it. ठीक है, they're not fashionistas. ठीक है, they're not people from the fashion industry, but there were 3 women and there were 3 men. ठीक है, and they had their own nuanced views about the whole event, and they covered it very well. Gender balance, and they covered it very well, and they took lots of live pictures and tweeted them, and it was all पहले हमने क्या गलती की थी? We did the hashtag on the Cover It Live. Then you also pointed out, other people also pointed out, and of course when I sat down to edit the stream,
there were so many
tweets, and then I just from the second day onwards we just went to the 6 featured people. ठीक है, उसमें आमना ईसानी भी थी, उसमें फीफी हारून भी थी, उसमें 2 और लड़कियां भी थी हमारी ब्लॉगिंग इंडस्ट्री से, 3-4 बंदे थे, तो it was a very good concise stream.
The best part I want to actually do now is
actually sports journalists Faizan Lakhani was also tweeting constantly.
But you know what I want, I understand ये सारा setup हुआ था. What I think the best part for the social media and us to understand is what were the problems that you faced. अच्छा, तो ताकि नेक्स्ट इवेंट्स जब हम करने जाएं तो एटलीस्ट सोशल मीडिया कैन डिस्कस कि हमने क्या इंप्रूव करना है एज फार एज
फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम वी फेस बेसिकली वाज दैट एक तो सीटिंग तो उन्होंने हमको बहुत अच्छी दी थी राइट एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द रैंप, सेकंड और थर्ड रो। ठीक है, पूरा सेक्शन हमारा बनाया था, एवरीबॉडी वाज सिटिंग देयर, अब्दुल्ला, मसूद एंड एवरीबॉडी। द प्रॉब्लम दैट वी फेस, द फर्स्ट थिंग, नो वाईफाई वाज ऑलमोst non-existent. The organizers had set up a Wi-Fi connection, but there were too many people using it. There was no dedicated Wi-Fi for that.
That means you travel with your own Wi-Fi for the
yes, so that's what we did. Okay. We had to do that or go by GPRS because there was no other way. And the thing was that, you know, Umair Mirza also did videos backstage. We had uploaded them live. Okay? And how we scooped the newspapers and magazines was pretty cool because the first day onwards, when people saw that they're like a designated section from the social media industry doing this, they collaborated with us in 18% Grey, Amin Jan's company, provided us pictures every day as soon as the event ended. So we would upload them that night on like day one's high-def pictures were uploaded in Park Tea House that night before they came in any newspaper, any magazine. So that's how we scooped it.
There's no doubt. Uski pictures अच्छी है, तो he was actually he was covering it. He was covering for himself. Was he covering for fashion?
No, his company was there.
He was company, but I'm asking you, with your rights, was it by the Fashion Week Pakistan who were giving it to you right away?
No. 18% Grey. I mean, they directly gave us the pictures every single day, and they're like, here are the pictures. They're going to go out to all the newspapers and stuff tomorrow, but you can stick them up today. So we scooped everybody that way. That was pretty cool. The second problem we faced, I think, was the fact that the events organizers, एक तो Wi-Fi का तो था ही मसला, मगर दूसरा मसला ये भी था कि you know it was a bit rush बहुत ज़्यादा था, बहुत ज़्यादा rush.
Fashion show में I think
नहीं, there were a lot of people coming in which were uncategorized. Lot of photographers uncategorized.
अच्छा, you guys did not do the live stream itself.
No, we didn't.
You
A company
just-
called Chili, I think, did
अच्छा
it.
you just did the cover it live.
We did
Cover
that.
it live में मैंने तुमको तो मुझे initially मैंने कहा था कि I don't like cover it live.
हाँ.
The reason and I think you fell right into it also कि तुमने hashtag किया तो बहुत सारा मुझे तो मैं तुमको बाद में criticism में जो तौर पे कह रहा था I think जो उस दिन उस वक्त वहाँ जो बैठे ट्विटरर्स हैं उनको तो आप करें ठीक है. To an extent, you don't have any hired people coming in, or hired or paid. I'm sure you didn't have any paid or whatever. But थोड़ा सा अगर मिल भी गया और लगा नहीं. But I'm not saying कि खास.
No, we didn't pay anybody.
But
It was
the
totally
Twitter
voluntary.
जो वहाँ मौजूद है doesn't have to be classified. Maybe locate them by Foursquare कि वो वहाँ जो मौजूद है.
ये भी हो
है ना Foursquare जो check in करें ठीक है. Yes, you're in here. We verify that you're in here.
But Awab, how does that work if the thing's Wi-Fi is not working?
नहीं वो तो
people
that's
cannot check in?
you got to get that. What I'm thinking, what I was saying, cover it live के लिए सबसे best situation क्या होती है कि a person is there, one of you sitting there who is expert in fashion. And not even you and me who have no clue about fashion, but we're talking about fashion. Imagine that. मगर वो fashion वो वहाँ बैठा हो and
The girls generally, Hina Safi and all those people are like sort of aware of like,
they come in and they are actually typing away.
That's what they're doing.
The best part, I think, of the best cover it live example that I can share is Cricinfo. Cricinfo की जो coverage होती है, it is scripted to an extent कि वो
हाँ दो बंदे होते हैं there are like
one run, two runs, and then उसमें एक comment जो लिखता है between the balls, each ball की ये हुआ, that actually gives a personal opinion कि क्या हुआ, क्या facts भी हैं, और फिर between the overs you get a summary of कि ये इस ball पे खेला गया. That is what you need, what to cover it live should do. जो तुमने hashtag वाला किया वो I thought it was a small blunder जो you corrected, but you ended up deleting a lot of things which I saw.
deleted a lot of tweets, but do you know what the number of tweets were for the 4 days? 4,700.
Wow, उसमें तो cover it live में capture किया था.
नहीं ये सब उड़ा दिया मैंने उसके बाद. From these 6 people.
उसके बाद.
हाँ 4,700 tweets, 4,700 lines of content.
Yapping a lot.
They yapped a lot. They talked a lot about fashion, and the organizers also had a big issue with us on day 3 with the cameras, the mobile cameras.
They didn't want it.
The Mathura incident. Because we were the first ones to release that picture.
वो पीछे से आई तस्वीर.
नहीं, the one on my Facebook.
Facebook के आगे की नहीं पीछे.
नहीं, आगे की. The one on my Facebook is the guy, is the photographer that went with Shobs. No, it's still there. It's the photographer that went with Shobs, and he took the picture right away and released it that night.
वो picture तो हाँ.
That picture is the one that captured her full frontal without her slip, and that's what they had a cow about. And then of course we stuck the video up.
But then
and we did a video of her as soon as she came off the ramp.
देखो you were technically not paid by Fashion Park only.
Not paid, but they wanted to, you know, obviously there are concerns about content control when social media comes into play.
But then that's
what social media does. You see, because the awesome part was that we captured a picture of her when the slip happened. It's not a big deal. These slips happen all the time, and it's whatever it was planned.
My wife and your wife have actually discussed this.
Wardrobe control plan, ठीक है. But the thing is, we got a picture of it, we got a video of it from आगे से पीछे से भी. As soon as she got off the ramp, we got the first video interview of it.
That was a break.
So they sort of like freaked out, and I guess there was some prodding done by mainstream media कि यार ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. And the fact was कि जैसे ही वो models आते थे हर collection के, everybody would have their phones on, ठक pictures लेके Twitter पे डाल रहे होते थे. And then they actually announced on day 2 also when I was like, please don't take pictures with your mobile phone. To which we were like, what the fuck?
Yeah, I think that's.
We're gonna do it. You know.
You guys did. You still did it. I mean, you were there. Second day, you were actually taking pictures.
हाँ, we still did it because बुरा लगता था. ठीक है, but the thing is कि you know that's how we work. You know, there is no other way about it. How is it social media work?
In fact, what I think, but just taking a slightly different tangent. I mean, we're talking about live coverage. हमारे साथ जो जलसों में जो होता है, PTI के जलसों में जो problems होते हैं. Streaming के problem जो.
पहले मैं तुम्हें इनका streaming का बूबू बताऊं. Biggest boo-boo that they did. First day, Chili company या पता नहीं जो भी है वो, इन्होंने live stream on कर दिया 1 घंटा पहले event से.
हाँ, खाली कुर्सियाँ.
नहीं, audio के साथ.
अच्छा.
तो जो डिजाइनर स्टेज बॉय और लाइट बॉयज के साथ करते हैं ना
नहीं है
वो सब लाइव ऑडियो पे सबको जा रहा था मैंने तुम्हें बोला यहाँ लाइट लगा खुद कुत्ते के बच्चे, ये वो समझा रहा है, you ruined my show, you could do this,
उसके बाद
and exactly in this accent, you the ruined my show, you the do this to my collection, you वो सब कुछ live stream पे जा रहा है।
ये होगा कि उसके बाद उन्हें they put makeup on, उसके बाद अगले घंटे बाद देर
But to the extent कि I actually called the person who was there, and as they walked in, to that person who was directing the whole proceedings, also which is I think the head of Catwalk or somebody, also screamed at her, "Get out of the way!" And then she actually came over to her and told her, "Okay, this is all going live." Then they shut it off. That was the biggest boo they made. तुम्हारे जलसों में क्या मसला होता है?
यार हमारे जलसों में ये सबसे बड़ा मसला जैसे
इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी
कनेक्शन। आई थिंक जो इवन एक डोंगल पर जो हम वाई मैक्स जो करने जाते हैं उस पर जब जलसे में ज़्यादा लोग होते हैं तो लोग हमेशा मुझे कहते हैं कि जलसे में मोबाइल टावर्स आर डिफरेंट and mobile signal frequency is different than what the PTCL EVO devices and these things cover, but whatever it be, जब हम जलसों में पहुंचते हैं तो उस वक्त अचानक वो the number of people, somehow the signals really tapered off. A day before we have perfect live stream, no issues on that same site.
जैसे लोग आते हैं तो
there's something going on, and it's out of personal experience, and we've gone through this.
I think you know what it is. I think when a number of internet connections try to reach out and connect on the same tower.
Mind you, उस वक्त जलसे पे भी even at that जलसा, I don't think there will be a lot of connection. People don't walk around with a WiMAX device.
Yes, absolutely. So what happens?
Don't know. They have to figure out, because I am telling you out of person. My concern now is
does WiMAX work on what?
PTCL.
PTCL.
Yeah.
So do you think it's because a number of mobile phones are in the vicinity?
There has to be some answer. Every person, every telco guy I talk to looks me in the eye कि नहीं frequency different है, it can't be messed up. But I'm telling you, actually, when I'm on the site and this.
So how do you correct this? And fiber optic wire.
अब तो वही बात है, if we can get it to we जिस sites पर हम जा सकते हैं, we actually get late 5-6 दिन 10 दिन की मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, DSL लाइन लगवाते हैं, फिर जाके हम स्ट्रीम करते हैं। तो लाइव स्ट्रीम में एक बहुत बड़ा मसला है कि इट इज़ द फैक्ट दैट यू हैव अ गुड स्टेबल कनेक्शन, एटलीस्ट 2 MB कनेक्शन जो आपके पास मिले, जिसका आप स्ट्रीम करें, अदरवाइज नहीं। और वो जो बात करते हैं लोकल क्लाउड या बाहर का क्लाउड की जो बात करते हैं, आई डोंट थिंक दैट मैटर्स, बिकॉज एक स्ट्रीम आपकी जा रही थी US to the live stream server, and then they are blasting it off to multiple hundreds and thousands of people from there. So what has happened is everyone from your house that goes, if actually does not connect locally to your camera, it connects to the US live stream server. So it doesn't matter कि आपके पास क्लाउड पाकिस्तानी बेस सेंट्रिक हो या बाहर के सेंट्रिक हो,
फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए
चाहिए बेसिक। बट कभी कभार मिरर हो सकता है, दैट मींस अगर 10 लोग एक पाइप से गुजर रहे हो तो वहाँ की वो रेप्लिकेट थोड़ा सा हो सकता है, मगर लाइव स्ट्रीम इज सो डायनेमिक एंड सो फ्लुएंट, द स्ट्रीम इटसेल्फ इज लाइव, so it has to come from that main center. So
I wonder if if there is ever this, I was thinking this, that what would be really cool would be if there was an internet service fast enough in Pakistan.
Yeah, 3G 4G जब आएगा तो you'll be
if you could have maybe like, I'm not just talking fashion, but we have maybe like 5 people coming it on their video feed from their mobile phones all around the
and
ramp.
you mix them.
Yes, that would be pretty cool. If you have like 5 or 6 windows doing that.
I don't think you have an issue on that. It will happen because अब जब 3G 4G जब आ जाएगा तो you can on the live stream console you can flip between which.
Because what I was actually dreaming of was that एक विंडो में अगर फर्स्ट को जैसे वो Google Hangout पे होता है कि एक विंडो में अगर रैम चल रहा है तो दूसरे 4 विंडोज
in live stream जो उसका सॉफ्टवेयर Procaster सॉफ्टवेयर जो है उसमें you can flip through windows that you want this window, you want this window, and
so if you have say anything come out or any event and then 4 people comment on it live, that would be pretty cool.
That wraps up our coverage on the social media roundup, which covers mostly on the fashion week as well as the
by the way, there was a comment on the last day of the fashion week. Some socialites were heard talking that who are all these people who look like nerds sitting there on the laptops typing away. We are the bloggers.
Thank you very much.